regai ndimboudza vafana chidika muzimbabwe muno of course muri mabone free imimi zvamuri mabone free isu munombofungawo kuti tinonzi mabone chiko boys negirls dzenozi munotamba nemhandidzi muchifunga kuti vangakudei.
Okay, let's get straight into it. First things first, why do they call you Comrade Dambrandue?
Very good question. Very good question. You see, the thing is, Mvana, in this liberation war that we are fighting, when I have my giddy, when I have my footy with me, I always aim for the Bunus Ndue. I always aim for them to, because the problem is, if you shoot them anywhere else, azvigwadzi unofanira kuema pantuwe femo underpentimo kudambura bharu because they've oppressed us for so long. They've oppressed us, so all my comrades saw kuti I'm tearing up the enemy's panties and they go to call me Dambrandue. Saka
I see. Thank you, comrade, for letting us know. And in brief, could you tell us exactly what it is that you're fighting for?
We're fighting for important things. Very important things. We're fighting for important things. We're fighting for a lot of things. You see, this Vapambe Fumi, Vasnamabi, has oppressed us for so long, has denied us so many things. Amongst these very many things, number one is Wi-Fi. Atina fast Wi-Fi. We are being subjected to my 3G levels. It's very difficult to communicate to our Zambian counterparts. It's very difficult. So we're fighting for Wi-Fi. We're fighting for mineral water. We are being subjected to Zenge water. That's the problem. We are being subjected to Zenge water. We also want that nice life. Number three, Nati Squirrel. You see, right now, to remind me of the good life. The Bunu has this every day. We also want the land that they took from us. We also want basic human rights and voting and such things. But Wi-Fi, mineral water, and Natisquiro are top of that list.
Okay, I see, and that is a worthy cause, comrade. Thank you for your efforts. I mean, and in the midst of all this fighting, what do you do to relax?
We relax, Imvan. We relax. We relax direct. Because in this liberation, you need to tambanuza nyama. Because zvinhu zvakaramba zviri tense, haunyatsodambura uyu. Saka we go over kunana Shabin and we kunana Zambia to relax ourselves. You know, Zambian women are they are blessed. Even right now, because of Wi-Fi, I would have showed you like on my Instagram. I have my Instagram account, it's Comrade Dambrandue. You can follow me there. I have very fine women on there. But you are very young for this. But we're going to fight for better Instagram because I'm about to slide in the DMs because late days is coming. I need to get some. But you are very young. These are the things that we are fighting for. You have actually taken my time. I need to go shine inside my boots. I hope we are. This is a terrible time. We can't be relaxing like this. We need to go fight for the liberation struggle. Tawanda ukunoita zvezveona bye zamurembana ukaribata mutete maenda here nemakamera yenyu hatsikudai mutikanganisa